All right, guys, we've got a 2021 Toyota. They make fun of me for saying Toyota. How is it supposed to be said? Toyota, right? Am I saying it wrong?
I think it's the enunciation that you say it. The way you just said it sounded different.
Like Toyota? Toyota?
It's like Hyundai.
Hyundai. He likes Hyundai. I like Toyota. Anyways, 2021 Toyota 4Runner TRD. Look at this beast, SR5. Got custom wheels, winch, every option you can think of. Really sexy car. He drove all the way from Michigan. So we appreciate him coming down. It was an 8-hour drive for him. But he said his local muffler shop, none of them wanted to touch it. We said, bring it on down, we'll hook you up. So got factory converters, 4 of them. One here, one right there, and one right there. Then we cut the Y pipe out that usually comes here and true dueled it for him, as you guys can see, all the way back. There's the other side, the tailpipe there, comes out down, over, each side, there and there, into some watt tips, blue flame. He brought his own tips. We hooked them up and put them on for him, as you guys can see right there. There's the dual setup. And as you guys can see, it's all the way from Michigan. So we really appreciate them coming down. I don't know where the rest of the exhaust is. I think they threw it away already. But anyways, that's what it looks like after. So you got duals on the 4Runner. If it's doable, we are able to do it for you guys. That's why we are the addicts of exhaust. And like always, guys, make sure you guys like, comment, and hit that subscribe button. We are located in Nashville, Tennessee, Music City, US. 2021 Toyota 4Runner. Dual exhaust, true dual straight pipe. Oh, that's good. What is it? Yes or no? Yeah. Okay. That sounds so good. Wow, that sounds really nice. Here's sound decibels. True dual, baby. 118. So when they tell you they can't do it, tell them exhaust addicts did. Is it too loud or perfect? All right. Yeah, see how the tip is a lot better now? That's how it should have been.
How come no video on the stuff?
Oh, we didn't. We have. If it's something special, we have a lot of them. We're gonna do it. I'll let you guys hear it on the inside. Toyota 4Runner True Dual. Really beautiful. Look at that stance on it. Yeah! It sounds really nice, guys. I like it. All the way from Michigan. We appreciate them coming down. So if you guys think you're too far away, come on, you're not. Come on down. We love hooking you guys up. Oh yeah, beast mode out of a Toyota. You can still hear it. Enjoy, guys.